Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to yet another cash stuffing video. So we are in the month of July and this month we are cash stuffing 16,400 rupees. So without further ado, let's get into our budget breakdown. So these are my monthly expenses which I do online. So RD will get 1000, investment will get 1000, light bill will get 500, milk will get 1800, newspaper will get 300, mobile and internet recharge will get 800 rupees, gas will get 500 rupees, and so these are total 5900 rupees which will stay into my bank account. Now let's move on to our wallet stuffing. So these are my monthly expenses which I do in cash. So the spending will get 1000 rupees. Now I have to say that I'm struggling with spending because 1000 rupees is not enough for spending every month. क्योंकि मैं सलोन जाती हूँ तो वहीं पे 500-600 रुपए लग जाते हैं. So I have to do something for this, but let's see if I can do from the next month. Then grocery will get 2000 again as usual. So this is 1, 2. So 2000 in the grocery. Vegetables will get 1000 rupees. So this is 1000. And petrol will get 1000 rupees. I have 500 in it. Actually 600 थे लेकिन मैंने 100 रुपए spending में खर्च कर दिए. So in petrol now I have 1500 rupees, which is enough amount for the month. So now this will go into my wallet. So this is my wallet. Someone asked me where did I get it. I got it from Myntra. This is a Diana Core wallet. If you want, I can give a link of this in the description box. So our wallet is done. Now let's move on to our sinking funds. So on the left side of the screen you will see the budget breakdown of my sinking fund. So as usual, Diwali will get 1000 rupees. To all the people who are new here, my target is 10,000 rupees until Diwali, which is in October. And then I will give this money to my mom. So in Diwali we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7000 rupees now, 3000 more to go. And we can easily complete this till October. और उसके बाद में ये पैसे मेरे मम्मी को दे दूँगी. Then we have all birthdays. All birthdays will be getting 500 rupees क्योंकि next month में मेरे भाई का birthday आ रहा है. Then so I will need some money at that time. So now all birthday has just 1000 rupees. Then my birthday will get 500 as usual. Again for this my target is 5000 rupees until my birthday, which is into September. So now we have 5, 1, 15, 2, 25, 3, 35. So I have 3500 rupees in my birthday. 1500 more to go. And I'll spend all this money on the day of my birthday. Then bike maintenance will be 200. Right now I have 500 in it, so I'll take 200 rupee ka note. So in bike we have 700 now. Health will be getting 200. So in health I have 1100 and I'll add 200 more. So in health we have 5, 1, 12 and 1300 rupees in health. I usually use this money to get my vitamins, monthly vitamins, and sometimes my mother's medicine. Then we have travel. Travel will be getting 500. So in travel now we have 5, 1, 15, 2, 25, 3, 35. 3500 in travel envelope. Then we have subscription. This will be getting 200. So in subscription now we have 5, 1, 12, 13, 14. 1400 rupees. Shopping will be getting 400 rupees. So I'll take 200 ka note. Now this shopping is everything except clothes. इसमें clothes नहीं आते हैं, लेकिन उसके अलावा जो शॉपिंग रहती है, कॉस्मेटिक, स्किन केयर या फिर ज्वेलरी, उसके लिए मैं ये पैसे यूज करती हूँ. सो इन शॉपिंग वी हैव 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. 1300 rupees. And now clothing, I have separate envelope for clothing, and in clothing we will be stuffing 300 rupees. So I'll add 100, 200 and 100 ka note. So in clothing we have 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 1000 rupees. Clothing is done. Now we will move on to special events. Special events will be getting 200. So this is last 200 rupee note. So in special events we have 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 1600 rupees. Now special event is something when we have some special occasion, जैसे कि मेरे कजिन का वेडिंग आ रहा है अभी, तो उसके लिए. And then we have our 52-week challenge. So in 52-week challenge this month we are stuffing 4 values, that is 470, 460, 350 and 320, which is total of 1500 rupees. So these are the last 1500 rupees. 5, 1, 15. I will add them into this. And so now in our 52-week challenge we have 5, 1, 15, 2, 25, 3, 35, 4, 45, 5, 55, 6, 65, 7, 75, 77, 79, 8. So we have 8000 rupees in our 52-week challenge. So this is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel and please share this video with your friends and family. So thank you very much and I will see you in next month. Bye.